Here's the thing about trauma that nobody's talking about. It doesn't have to be that big T trauma, the kind that everybody can look to and point and say, hey, yeah, that was really bad. That was terrible. That should never have happened. And we can all collectively recognize where that interrupted the flow of life. But here's a lesser known thing. Trauma is too much too soon, or too little too late. And when we consider that expanded definition, we start to see where lots of things can be grouped into that place of trauma. So first of all, I want to say congratulations for making your way here. You may or may not have known that it's trauma that you want to sort out. Maybe you've been feeling grief for a long time, or maybe angry for a long time, or maybe you're going through a big life transition. Maybe you're in your mid-40s or mid-50s or even beyond. And you're looking for your meaning and purpose, a chance to put aside all the demands of everybody else and actually focus in on what it is that you want to do here with the time you have. Thank you for making it here. This is Kundalini Yoga for lots of different things. And that's what you'll find out about Kundalini Yoga along the way, is that it is an application for just about everything. But in particular, I present this in a trauma-informed way, in a way that works with science, neuroscience, so that you can understand how your body is trying to work to keep you alive, and then how we can use these practices to help us thrive. This is especially important, especially in this time when things feel so chaotic, both externally and maybe even in our own personal lives and maybe in our own heads and minds. So I want to welcome you here. Take a look around, see what excites you, what inspires you. Choose those particular practices. Don't get so hung up on doing it right, but just do it. Do a little bit every day, and you will naturally start to see things evolve and change. And if you would do me the honor of subscribing and liking and commenting, that way I know that you're engaged, and that way I know what it is that you need so that we can move forward on this journey together. This is about awakening. This is your awakening. Welcome. My name is Salimah, yoga therapist. This is year 20. And I couldn't be more grateful and more delighted that you made it here. The world needs you. Lots of love, and I'll see you on the inside.